Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer garlic rosemary chicken tenders. Let's begin. We have here 14 ounces of chicken tenderloins and let's take it out. There we go. We're going to season it with some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some crushed rosemary, and lastly some ground black pepper. There we go. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we seasoned both sides. I'm gonna change out my gloves real quick. Next, we're gonna spray some cooking oil onto the chicken tenders. You can spray any oil you like. There we go. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we sprayed oil on both sides. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 370 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the chicken tenders. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. There we go. We flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Smells really good. Let's take them out. Next, we're going to check the internal temperature of the chicken tenders. And it's above 165 degrees, and we're set. Next, we're going to sprinkle some chopped up green onions on top. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today: air fryer garlic rosemary chicken tenders. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.